Tired of guessing? Tired of entering trades at the wrong time? Let's fix that. In the next 90 seconds, you will learn a complete trading strategy. We will use 2 powerful free indicators on TradingView. Important disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Trading involves risk. First, we need to find the most important price levels. Go to your Indicators tab. Search for Swing High-Low Support and Resistance. Add it to your chart. You will see red and blue dotted lines. The logic is simple. Red lines are the ceiling. This is resistance. Blue lines are the floor. This is support. But we can make it better. Open the indicator's settings. Under the Inputs tab, change both the period values from 5N to 9. This filters out the noise. Now you only see the levels that truly matter. Now we know where to look for trades. Next, we need to know when to trade. Go back to Indicators. Search for Swing Arm ATR Trend. Add it to your chart. We will use this as a simple trend filter, a traffic light for the market. Open its settings. First, in Inputs, set the time frame to one level higher than your chart. If you are on the 1 hour, set it to the 4 hour. Next, set the ATR period to 10. Finally, go to the Style tab. Uncheck every box except for the first plot option. This keeps your chart clean. Now your traffic light is ready. If the ribbon is green, the market is in an uptrend. We only look to buy. If the ribbon is red, the market is in a downtrend. We only look to sell. Now add another indicator, and this indicator settings already share in previous video. You can watch it and find the video link in bio. The setup is complete. Now for the rules. They are simple and powerful. Here is a sell setup. Rule 1. Check the trend. The ribbon must be red. The price must be trading below it. Rule 2. Find the signal. Wait for the price to break and close below a blue support line. This is our entry trigger. The trend must be bearish. Your trend line must be trading below the 0 line. Wait for the rally. Watch the momentum columns. We need to see them make a clear swing above the 0 line. This is a temporary bounce in a downtrend. The signal. Your entry trigger is the first momentum column that closes back below the 0 line. This signals the bounce is finished, and the downtrend is ready to continue. Set your stop loss. Place your stop loss just above the most recent red resistance line. This manages your risk. Rule 4. Set your take profit. Aim for a 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. If your risk is $1, your target is $2. For a buy trade, you simply reverse the logic. Wait for a green ribbon. Wait for a break above a red resistance line. Place your stop loss below the last support level. That's it. A complete strategy. No more guessing. You now have a system to identify the trend, find key levels, and manage your risk. If you found this valuable, click the like button. Subscribe for more clear and simple trading strategies. Trade smart.